In today's video, I have an exciting video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a beauty room transformation. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but this is going to be my last video or last clip in this room. My fiance and I just bought our first house, and there is a spare bedroom where I'm able to make it my beauty room / closet, because the closet in our master bedroom is the same size closet that I have right now, and I can't fit all my stuff in it now. So the fact that I have to share that now, I need more space. So I'm super thankful that I could use this spare bedroom as my closet / beauty room. So if you guys want to see my beauty room transformation, then please keep watching. I don't know when this video is going to go up. It's probably going to be a little bit before that room is finished, but I will list everything below, and everything that I got for this room was really, really affordable as well. I think today, the first step is painting the room. Right now it's this nude yellow, and we got this really pretty kind of light gray shade that we're going to paint it. So that's going to be today, and I'll show you guys that a little bit later. Okay guys, I want to give you guys an update. I wasn't able to film the before in here because I forgot my camera and then they started painting. But you can kind of see, I'm gonna insert a picture. I did take a picture on my phone of the before color, but you can kind of see it here how it's kind of like a yellow nude, and then we painted it this really pretty gray color. This color is Benjamin Moore London Fog. I feel like this color goes with everything, and I'm just obsessed with the way it came out. But so far, I still have a lot of boxes. We still have a lot of stuff to put together. But I was able to put my clothing racks in here. So I have all my clothes pretty much out, and then my Alex drawer. Don't mind my paper shades. We're not getting shades for another month because of COVID. But this is what it's looking like so far. But yeah, so I will update you guys when we finish putting together these shelves, and then I can put my shoes and my handbags on them, and then we'll see how it comes together. All right guys, so I'm gonna start putting together some of the shelves that I got. These are a shoe shelf that I got from Target. I think they're gonna look really nice, stacked. So I got 3 of them. And I just ordered on the online pickup for Target 3 more. So I'll probably pick those up in a couple hours, but I wanna try to put it together because I'm impatient and I just wanna see how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna try to attempt this right now. But I also got this, I can't really tell, but it's a little cube organizer. It has 8 cubes. This I plan on putting my handbags in. I'm gonna wait until my fiance gets home to do this one though, because this one's really heavy and it kind of looks more complicated. But I also got this white bookshelf, also from Target. Can you guys see that? It's so heavy. I'm also gonna wait for him to get home. All of these shelves too that I got from Target were all really affordable. I think this was only $40. This bookshelf was $30. And then these shelves were $16 each, which is crazy. So I can't wait to see it all finished and all put together, but I'm gonna try to attempt to do this one now. All right, here we go. I just took everything out of the box. I have my chai to get me through this. Hey guys, oh, I look like a mess, but I finally finished it and it looks so good. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this. I might organize it a little bit more in time. I'm just so done with organizing right now, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like so far. So right here are the shoe shelves from Target. I'm gonna link everything in this room below, but this is 6 shelves stacked. They were only $16. As you guys could see down here, I have the smaller shoes. What we did to fit the boots over here was I took the middle shelf out. So I'm definitely losing space by doing that, but these shoes were never gonna fit in that space. But this whole thing was under $100, and I feel like it looks So good. I love the white. It also comes in like a really, really dark brown black shade if you prefer like a darker shade. But I'm obsessed with the way it came out. Okay, and then this was like the cubes right here. They all kind of flow together too, even though they're like different units. They kind of just like all flow together. But this is the cube shelf. There's 8 cubes, and I just really wanted to put my bags here to display them, so I love the way that that came out. We also didn't, like, they came with white backgrounds right here, but I left it like all the same, so you just see like the wall through it. I didn't put like the white backs on it. So that's what that looks like. And then this is the 5-shelf bookcase. This was also like $35. And I just put like more shoes, like boots, because there's like bigger space there. I had my perfumes here, jewelry, some pictures, and that's it. And then this Alex drawer was from my old room, and I just brought it in here. It's filled with so much junk. And then that sunglass holder from Amazon I have right here. So yeah, I'm obsessed with the way that this came out. Came out way nicer than I was expecting. I'm so obsessed with this. It's like such a dream come true having this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I hope it was like enough footage for a video, but it was really fun to make, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.